Okay, so the first step would to have the Husqvarna app open and the Bluetooth on your phone on. So what you'll want to do is first, by hitting this stop button, it'll pull up the passcode here on the front. It's 6069. You'll enter that. And once you're here, this is the main menu. Sorry, it's a little glary. But here you can rotate the dial and it has quite a few options. You'll want to go to settings, click that, spin the dial down to the little Bluetooth symbol right there, click that, and then as you notice, when it pulls up this screen, that means it's ready to pair with your phone. On the app side, it should say, it'll kind of give you the same instructions that I just gave you in this recording, but soon as that's up, it'll ask you to enter the PIN code again on the app, and that's 6069, and then it will take maybe like a minute or two for it to pair, and once it's paired, then you're all set to go.